Hello, welcome back to the channel, everyone. In this channel or in this video that I made today, we build or I build a smart and powerful web scraper with a beautiful GUI using Kivy and a lightning fast backend powered by Playwright and Asyncio. If you're tired of static scrapers, you're going to love this application. Well, as you can see right now, I already have the application open on the screen. And yeah, we're going to try this right now. But before we do that, we're just going to explain to you what we use in this application. The application that the code or the modules that I use here, or the main modules, are Playwright, Kivy, Asyncio, and CV Pandas. As you can see here, CSV. I'm sorry, that's CSV and Pandas, Playwright, and Kivy module framework, threading. As you can see, if you saw my other videos, I told you that I usually use threading just to make sure it will not going to crash. Okay. In Playwright, of course, we have to automate browser interaction like clicking links, navigating and scraping. Kivy, this is the whole archive of Kivy, right? This is to build the cross-platform where user can interactively trigger the scraper and upload CSVs or Excel. Async.io, this is to handle the logic required for responsive scraping without blocking the GUI. Okay, even though those are Java heavy application or codes, yeah, this module can definitely handle that. CSV and Pandas, now to export scrape data into readable spreadsheet in a format of Excel and CSV. Okay. Now the classes that we use in our app is one of the classes is the scraper app. Okay. In Kivy GUI class, the main app to make the layout buttons, text boxes, and data display. Scraper logic class that houses our async def scraper or scrape directory. Let me show that to you. Alright, here it is. And then this is the function, which is the one scraping the engine. Okay, multi-threading from the threading module, like I told you, just to make the app not to crash or to freeze whenever it's doing the because this app will going to scrape and then automatically save the no, this one, it's going to scrape the data, and then once done, right, it will going to auto update the table on the app, and then you have the option to save it on the Excel sheet or CSV. It's just simple. It's a simple application. No tricks on the table. It's just straight scraping, and then you have to get the data from the website that you want to scrape. Well, the data that we're going to scrape, or the website that we're going to scrape, is wherefarmerslook.com/business directory. Most of it, all of the companies here are in Canada. Now, the magic behind the scraper, this scrape directory, is where all the scraping happens. Okay, it launches the Chromium browser. I'll show that to you later on. And probably we're going to scrape probably 30 companies before we end it. Okay, launch the Chromium browser, and then the Playwright will trigger that. Now it will going to navigate to site licenses, search directory, clicks on the search by city state. I'll show you this one. Let me copy this, and I'm going to go here are buttons in here. Okay, there are buttons and multiple A's. If you notice, it doesn't have any slash A or slash B slash C. When you click on the next button, it doesn't change. It's still the same, and there's no there's no tagging, or there's no yeah, the link will not going to change even if you click on the other one. Let me open that up. Okay, it's still the same. B, it doesn't that's the tricky part. There's some website, if you click on a button, right, it will going to change the whole link. Okay, but this one, it doesn't change. So it goes to a loop of company listing, because there are company listing for every button, right? Probably these are only like a tab, okay, and it doesn't change the link on the website. Okay, now we're going to just give me a second here. So what I'm going to do here, we're going to run the app. Okay, okay, as you can see, it automatically opens the app. As you can see, the second it's fast, as you can see. Okay, now it's in Pub Industry Limited. That's this one. Then affordable livestock, this one. Affordable parts, and then the Shield Manufacturing, Agnew Steels Incorporated. Okay, okay, as you can see, my mouse are here. We're going to okay, we're going to click on the. As you can see, it clicked the next A. Then the next A again. Alright, until it's done. Okay, and yeah, this will going to, okay, now I think it will going to scrape all the company on letter A, and there's a lot in there. Okay. Because this will going to handle the letter-based pagination, which is A to Z, and then 0 to 9, 0 to 9 in there, here, okay, and then saves all the data in the CSV format, and that's it. We just created a fully asynchronous web scraper with a modern GUI. If you like this project, hit the like button and subscribe for more Python builds, right? But we're going to stand by, and then we're going to wait until the final, because all of the information already here, as you can see, it auto updates. Okay, that's business, and then what's the Bear Claw equipment, Bear Claw. Okay, the phone number is here. Alright, you don't have to do it manually. You just have to wait until all the data, company names, what you call this, the address of the company, and then the phone number will be scraped. Okay. I didn't include their website, but websites are also included here. This is only an example, so that but it can be scraped. It can also scrape the we can change the code of the application, so that it can also get the company CEOs, owners, founders, if they are available on that site. It can be scraped. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to post the video. I'm going to pause the video. I'm sorry. I'm going to pause it for a few minutes, and then we're going to. All right, almost done. We are 09 right now. Okay, as you can see here, all the data are already submitted or encoded or extracted from that website. And what we are going to do here, we're going to click on this one, export to Excel, because export to CSV, yeah, we can also use export to CSV, export to SL, so that I can show you if if VS Code will going to be able to, read the data that we extracted, or we can show it to you on VS Code. Because if we're going to open that up on MS Excel, automatically we can be able to see the data, all right? But just in case that you don't have any MS Suite on your computer, then VS Code, by installing an extension on VS Code, you can be able to read and show to you the data that we extract from this website. Okay, we're going to click on, right, and let's go here. Let's see. Okay. It's already been saved, as you can see here, companies.xl, right? If you haven't set up your VS Code, it will not going to show up on your screen or on your VS Code terminal. Okay, because here I already set up my extension, so it can be viewed. Right, so as you can see here, right, I'm going to adjust it, and as you can see here, the first company is encoded, extracted, and their head office is also located, or head office address is also located here, until the last name of the company, which is 7L Livestock Equipment Limited. If you're going to go to the app, it's on here, on the very bottom. Okay, right down here. All right. So that's it. If you have any question about the application that we showed to you, just let me know. Send an email, or post a comment down below on the comment section. Until then, okay. Thank you very much. Have a good day.